Yes, students, we are going to perform chemical reaction. In this chemical reaction, there are two elements. The first one is sulfur and second one is iron. So these are elements. They cannot be divisible, okay? But when they are combined together like this, so they form new compound or not?
No, sir.
So for performing the chemical reaction, heat is necessary. So there is no new chemical is formed. No new chemical is formed. It's a mixture of iron and sulfur. Okay? When heat is performed or heat is providing to that chemical reaction, so it will convert it into iron sulfide. After heating, now these substance look like this. So now it's not a mixture, it's iron sulfide, and iron sulfide is a compound. It's a compound. How iron and sulfur? Now iron and sulfur is not formed by the bonding. They are not combined together in this reaction. But after heating, they are combined, iron and sulfide. So they are combined by the bonding of
Iron sulfur.
by the bonding of chemical bonding. When they are converted into iron sulfide, when these iron or sulfur combine, so nothing chemical reaction is proceed. But when these two elements are mixed together and heat is supply, so it can convert it into iron and sulfur. They are combined together by chemical bonding. They are combined together by chemical bonding. So this is the compound. Compound can be broken down, but element cannot be broken down. But these two elements are react together by heating. So they convert into iron and sulfide. Got it?
Yeah.
Can anyone explain? So you will start and she will end. Okay. One by one, everyone, I will stop you and you will say something about this chemical reaction. You will say something about the chemical reaction and then you will end with the reaction. Yes.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, you can ask the question.
If we इस सब इनको केमिकल बॉन्ड कर देते हैं, इनमें हीट नहीं बस केमिकल बॉन्डिंग होती है ना?
Heat use हो रही है to bring out the changes in that chemical reaction.
तो मैं हीट इसमें यूज़ हो रही है.
अगर heat provide नहीं करेंगे, heat is not being providing to that chemical reaction, so no new substance is formed. It remain the mixture of iron and sulfur.
और मैं इस केमिकल बॉन्डिंग के बाद ये कंपाउंड है.
ये compound. This is called compound. Very good.
When you mix iron and sulfur, they do not, no changes.
No changes occur. Yes.
They both are elements, but they are mixed together, but no changes are there.
Yes, Ridva.
When we make a sulfur and iron, there is no changes and expressions come here, and when we heated it, so there is a changes and they make
Yes.
it
What is
compound.
necessary for chemical reaction? Elements. There should be elements and heating. And
Heating.
yes, Yumna, can you say anything about this chemical reaction?
When first we will put iron and sulfur together. We will not heat, but when it will combine, there will be no suspense. Or when we will heat this, so there will be combined, and it will call iron and sulfide.
Iron and sulfide are formed. So this is the compound. So they are combined together, Mahi, by
By
chemical bonding. By chemical bonding. So this is the chemical reaction.
मिस ये
Yes.
एलिमेंट जो है वो मैटर के उसमें आएगा और ये सॉलिड आएगा ना?
Metal.
ये सॉलिड आएगा ना, सल्फाइड और आयरन.
Sulfur is non-metal.
नो मेटल नहीं, मैटर एलिमेंट्स मैटर के उसमें होते हैं ना मिस. तो मिस वो सॉलिड आएगा ना, सल्फाइड और आयरन फिर
Solid. They are exist in the solid state. they are exist in the solid state. So the chemical reaction has been ended. So any confusion regarding chemical reaction?
मिस
Yes.
क्वेश्चन है
Yes.
मिस आप हम इसको हीट इसमें यूज़ करेंगे हीट नहीं करेंगे इसको केमिकल बॉन्डिंग का मतलब मैं समझ नहीं पाई हूँ
केमिकल बॉन्डिंग का मतलब होता है कि यू आर नॉट टेकिंग breathing properly. That's why I am not performing the reaction. Okay. So when I put this one, okay, this put iron and sulfide mixture into the this tripod stand, and when heat is applied or supply, you can say that, so it will convert into that form.
and it would become okay
This is compound. Yes, I am not heating, I have done heating. Okay, so there is a problem in the lab, said you will not breathe properly. That's why I am not performing again. Okay, got it? Any confusion?
No, miss.
Okay, thank you.